Hi, this is Karen aka Komplete, the creative and energy coach. I'm here to introduce myself to you because I am going to be one of the speakers at the inspireUrBiz event in Antigua, put on by V Roberts, the amazing V Roberts. So what I do is I help you to tap into your passion, purpose and potential, and you know that the purpose is actually you. Once you're breathing, there is something in this world that you were meant to do that no one else can do. So come and join me. It's not too late to come to Antigua. If you're in Antigua or in the Caribbean, come and join me at the inspireUrBiz event in Antigua on the 8th of March. Yes, 2018 is going to be a fantastic year. Just bring all your dreams and visions to fruition. I'm looking forward to meeting you, those of you who already booked. And guess what? Newmont Travel is offering such great deals. I got one. See you then. Bye.